Intro to Flutter Weather App. Welcome to our Flutter Weather App tutorial series. In this journey, we'll dive deep into creating a fully functional weather application using Flutter, Google's powerful UI toolkit. As we embark on this project, let's first discuss the significance of weather apps in our daily lives. With the increasing reliance on smartphones for real-time information, weather applications have become essential tools for planning our activities. From deciding whether to carry an umbrella to planning weekend outings, having accurate weather information at our fingertips is invaluable. Flutter stands out in the mobile development landscape due to its unique capabilities. It allows developers to build natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single code base, which significantly reduces development time and effort. Its widget-based architecture is particularly appealing. Everything in Flutter is a widget, from buttons to layout structures, enabling developers to create highly customized user interfaces with ease. This is especially useful for a weather app, where a clean and engaging UI is crucial for displaying dynamic data effectively. In this series, we'll start by setting up our development environment, ensuring you have Flutter installed and ready to go. This process involves downloading the Flutter SDK, setting up an IDE like Visual Studio Code or Android Studio, and creating a new project. We'll guide you through the initial setup steps, ensuring that everything runs smoothly, so you can focus on building your app. Once our environment is ready, we will outline the key features of our weather app. The core functionality will involve fetching real-time weather data from an API, such as Open Weather Map. This API provides comprehensive weather information, including current conditions, forecasts, humidity levels, and more, which we will display in an organized manner. Learning how to work with APIs is an essential skill in modern app development, and throughout this series, we will delve into making HTTP requests, parsing JSON data, and dynamically updating the UI based on the data we retrieve. We'll also explore the importance of user experience, UX, design. A well-designed app is not just about functionality, it should also be visually appealing and easy to navigate. Our weather app will incorporate various layout techniques and responsive design principles to ensure it looks great on different devices. We'll utilize Flutter's extensive widget library to create buttons, text fields, and lists that display weather data clearly and attractively. Additionally, we will focus on making the app interactive, allowing users to search for weather information by city and save their favorite locations. Another exciting aspect of our app will be implementing a dark mode theme. As users increasingly prefer customizable interfaces, offering both light and dark themes will enhance user satisfaction. We'll show you how to manage theme switching effectively, using Flutter's built-in theming capabilities to provide a seamless experience. By the end of the series, you will have a fully functional weather app that showcases your skills in Flutter development. You'll have the opportunity to apply best practices, from code organization to UI design, making this project a valuable addition to your portfolio. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this tutorial series will provide insights and hands-on experience to help you grow as a developer. Theme Dark. Now let's explore the implementation of a dark theme, an increasingly popular choice in mobile app design. A dark theme not only provides an aesthetic appeal but also enhances user comfort in low-light environments and can save battery life on OLED screens. In our Flutter Weather app, we'll focus on creating a dark theme that users can toggle between light and dark modes, allowing for a more personalized experience. Flutter makes it easy to implement theming through the theme data class, which enables developers to define colors, text styles, and other visual properties in a centralized manner. We will start by establishing our default theme, outlining the primary colors, fonts, and styling for both light and dark modes. The light theme will typically feature bright backgrounds with dark text, creating a clean and inviting interface for daytime use. Conversely, the dark theme will incorporate darker backgrounds paired with lighter text and accent colors, ensuring that the information remains legible while providing a sleek, modern appearance. To facilitate theme switching, we will implement a simple toggle in the app bar. This switch will provide users with an intuitive way to switch between light and dark modes. We will utilize Flutter's state management capabilities to persist user preferences, allowing the app to remember the selected theme across sessions. For instance, if a user opts for the dark theme, we can use local storage solutions like the shared_preferences package to save this choice, ensuring the app reflects their preference on the next launch. Accessibility is a crucial consideration in theme design. It's essential to ensure that text contrasts well against the background to accommodate users with visual impairments. We will carefully select our color palette for both themes, ensuring sufficient contrast to maintain readability. Tools like the Flutter Color Contrast Checker can assist in validating that our design meets accessibility standards. Additionally, we will explore best practices for styling other UI elements in the dark theme, such as buttons, cards, and input fields. This includes ensuring that shadows, borders, and highlights are appropriately adjusted to maintain visual clarity. For example, we might use subtle shadow effects to create depth, ensuring that components stand out against the dark background. As we implement the dark theme, we'll also address user experience considerations, such as incorporating visual cues to indicate active selections or toggled options. Ensuring that icons and buttons maintain clarity and functionality in dark mode is vital for a seamless user experience. We'll pay attention to the overall design consistency, making sure that the transition between light and dark modes is smooth and visually appealing. Finally, we will test the dark theme across various devices and lighting conditions to ensure it functions well in real-world scenarios. This includes checking for visual appeal and readability in different environments, ensuring that users have a comfortable experience regardless of their lighting conditions. By the end of this section, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to implement a dark theme in your Flutter Weather app, significantly enhancing its usability and aesthetic appeal. App Bar. Now, let's delve into the App Bar, a fundamental component of our Flutter Weather app. The App Bar serves as the primary interface for navigation and contextual information, making it a crucial element for enhancing user experience. In Flutter, the App Bar widget is highly customizable, allowing developers to create a header that aligns with their app's branding and functionality. In our Weather app, the App Bar will not only display the app's title but will also incorporate key features such as a search bar, navigation options, and settings. We will begin by implementing the App Bar using Flutter's built-in App Bar widget. The title of our Weather app will be prominently displayed, providing immediate context to users. We'll explore various design options, ensuring the title is visually appealing and stands out. By using bold typography and strategic placement, we can create a clear focal point at the top of the screen. On either side of the title, we will add action icons, such as a search icon that allows users to quickly look up weather information for different locations, and a settings icon for accessing additional options. Utilizing Flutter's icon button widget, we can create responsive buttons that provide visual feedback upon interaction, such as changing color or opacity when pressed. This attention to detail enhances the overall user experience, making the app feel more interactive and engaging. In addition to the action icons, we will implement an overflow menu using pop-up menu button. This menu will contain additional options that may not fit into the main app bar layout but are still important for user functionality, such as managing favorite locations or accessing help and support. This design choice exemplifies thoughtful user experience principles, ensuring that the interface remains uncluttered while providing users with necessary tools for navigation. Visual styling will also be a critical aspect of our app bar design. We can customize the background color, elevation, and shadow effects to ensure it fits seamlessly with the app's overall theme. By adhering to a cohesive color palette defined in our app's theme data, we can create a polished and professional look. For instance, if we implement a dark theme, we'll ensure that the app bar adopts darker shades to maintain consistency and improve readability, creating a cohesive aesthetic throughout the application. As we develop the app bar, we'll also consider responsive design principles.
The end.